Good morning. Saturday morning. Another week gone. Wow. And it is now 10 o'clock in the morning. She was supposed to be up at 9 o'clock because we need laundry done, we need a kitchen clean, we need to bake pies. She thinks she has work and then she can just sleep in. I'm gonna go wake her up because we need to get shit done.
Good morning, I slept in. Damn it, I was doing good. I love you.
I love this Crisp Brothers pepperoni. I love you too.
Honey garlic edition. But yeah, so I did load of laundry, well, throwing them, well, they're in the washer, okay? And dishes, and now just waiting, and then we gotta go out.
And my morning got cut short. I got called in right at the crack when they opened. So off I go to work.
I am on my way to work right now. Steve already went, so now I'm just waiting for my cab to get here so that I can get to there faster. So yeah, that's what I'm on to way to go do.
Turn right onto Johnston Drive.
Oh, I think there's gonna be a storm coming. Those rain clouds look pretty extreme. So, like I said, both of our days actually got cut short. I had to call Cheyenne in because we just got like super busy, and the other worker didn't show up. So, look how dark those clouds are. Anyways, I'm just out doing deliveries because we're short delivery drivers. So, oh, what a busy day.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Jameson Avenue.
I think it's gonna make up for yesterday. I started at 11 o'clock this morning. It is now 7:15. So yeah, busy day. Cheyenne's been
Right onto Jameson Avenue, then turn left onto Jones Crescent.
Cheyenne's been pretty freaking busy too. So
In 300 meters, your destination will be on the left.
thanks, tips. Okay, that one is delivered. Now, that was one of the ones that I don't know who, but somebody screwed that order up, so I gave them some coupons. That did not work. So yeah, I gave them some coupons to make up for it. I get free cheese bread and stuff. I'm tired. I've worked my ass off today. And so did Cheyenne, so she's gonna be tired too. It started off to be a really slow day, and then it just got slammed, which is okay. No, I get so excited when I see storms rolling in from the distance. I don't know why I just do. It's just a thing. It's just a... I don't know. Anyways, just have to wait and see.
So we just got back from 7-Eleven.
So we just got back from 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
We haven't even left 7-Eleven yet, and we just got off work.
Whatever. Just kidding. Okay, so we just left 7-Eleven and we came from work and it was a long day. I am officially on payroll. I am an official employee.
Yep, you are.
Yes. So
I was already saying to the camera that you had a really long day.
I did.
My day was longer.
Shut up.
My day
Yeah, but
was
you're
longer.
used to it though.
My day was longer than Baldy's.
Yeah, he skipped out.
Oh yeah, so the reason why I went in early
is because the other owner went to like a wedding party thing.
He couldn't resist the party.
So I had to go in and take his place. It kind of did upset me a little bit because I wanted to get my pies done this morning, but you know, it is what it is.
So he went in at 11, and I came in at like 1, quarter after 1 when I got there. And I just finished at like 8:30. You know, one day it was.
And I just finished at 11 o'clock. I got 11 and a half hour day.
Mm-hmm.
But I got paid for 12 hours, so.
She always does that. She rounds up, and she wonders why we always try to pay for our food.
Yeah. So we didn't make it to the grocery store, and I didn't want very much anything from there. So we went to 7-Eleven to go buy supper.
We're classy.
Way Sub and Subway's. I would have went to Way Sub. But
I'm sick of
I
Way
just
Sub.
didn't feel like driving all the way up to the north end of town.
I have to go.
But anyways, we're gonna go in and eat and chillax.
I have a dimple.
You are a dimple.
Okay.
You're a dimple on my life.
I love you.
Yeah. Okay, so it is exactly not a second before, not a second after 1:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
So we came home, we ate supper, I watched some TV. Now I'm tired. And I have to get up early in the morning. So does somebody else.
Unfortunately.
Not unfortunately. I
Look, my
wanted
tongue's
to stop pushing me.
My tongue is orange.
Cool. I was hoping that I didn't have anything to do in the morning because I wanted to go for a bike ride, but that didn't happen. So. But anyways, I'm going to bed, and I got pies to cook in the morning. We sold how many cupcakes in the last 2 days? 12? But anyways, keep your stick on there, stay positive, believe in yourself, stay strong. Good night, we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I really wanted to go bike riding, but
It doesn't seem like that's good.
no,
Well, maybe
because
tomorrow night.
oh yeah, we get off at 9 tomorrow.
That's if I go to work tomorrow. Sounds like I'm skipping. That's if she needs me at work tomorrow. Good night, handsome and pretty. Good night.